Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. So let's jump right in. To fix the problem of the Instagram Notes feature not appearing, you can try connecting your Instagram account to your Facebook account. And here's how. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then, select the three-dash menu at the top right corner. Proceed by selecting Settings. And within the Settings menu, scroll down and choose Account. The first method is to select Sharing to other apps and then choose Facebook. In many instances, the option of linking your Instagram account to Facebook may not be available for all accounts. And from this point, choose the option Add Facebook Account and select the Facebook account that you wish to link to your Instagram. And click Yes to finish the setup process. This will successfully link your accounts. After completing the steps, proceed to uninstall the Instagram app. And next, open the Play Store, search for the Instagram app and reinstall it. After the reinstallation is complete, open the app and log in using the account you just finished setting up. By following these steps, the note feature should be enabled successfully. This completes the first method. Now, let's move on to the second method. If the previous method didn't work, the next solution involves opening your Instagram account or your Instagram app. And click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. And then, select the three-dash menu at the top right corner. Next, choose Settings. Scroll down within the Settings menu and select Help. And under Help section, click on the Help Center. In the Help Center search bar, type How to get Instagram Notes or How to get notes on Instagram. Choose the first option titled Reply to Notes using messaging on Instagram and scroll down to find the instruction applicable to both Android and iOS devices. If the solution provided in the first option doesn't work for you, select the second option to describe why it didn't work. And you can type in your explanation or description of the issue you have encountered. You can use what I am typing now. Hello team, my Instagram account does not have the notes feature even after updating it. Kindly assist me in enabling this feature. Thanks, and I'm looking forward to a positive response. And after entering the description, click on the submit button. Once submitted, you may need to wait for approximately 24 hours for them to respond and provide assistance regarding your issue. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment in the comment section down below.